Oh, man. Huh? What? What are you doing to me? Who are you again? Sir Fathead! Okay. Is that really you? You don't look like the penguin I remember. Listen. The dimension warping and everything, it's gotten out of control, and I've become an owl, I guess. Listen. I can't stand us being no longer the liability. For nature to no longer be seen, it's a mess. All people care about on that island that we call Sodor. It's just not the same as it used to be. It's now full of vehicles and technology. I get what you're saying. So please, will you help a brother out? Since you are a beaver? Yeah. A beaver from Canada, that is. I don't got any hands. Oh, right. Look, all you gotta do is that you just need to enter a portal, which I'll assign for you right here, right now. And then, all you have to do is to squish them like a bug. Or send them to the junkyard or something, I don't know. At this point, I'm tired. I'm literally tired of all these fossil fuels fuming, okay? That's all that this is about? Literally killing locomotives? I mean, come on. They're not the only things to be worried about that are related to fossil fuels. Yes, now, go! Well, no crime, but at least we get to rest for now. Yeah, you're right. Besides, we've had our work cut out for ourselves already. Hey guys, anything new lately? No, not really, sadly. Sadly? What do you mean, sadly? We're on vacation. I will indeed admit, neither of you two really haven't been doing anything these past few couple of days, weeks, and throughout this past month and heading into this one. Well, I mean, then again, while we left Thomas, Percy, and James to their own devices, we were pretty much racking in all the criminals. Okay, yeah, but I still will admit that I pretty much miss the old days back when, bad guys were always left to right, up, down, side to side, forward and backward. Yeesh, y'all must have had some crazy work cut up for you back then. I'll say, man, us four, working all together. Speaking of the glory days, I wonder when Toby and Proteus will be back. They'll find their way. Yeah, I hope so. I hope so too. Huh? Who was that? Huh? What's up, guys? Who is this? What? You don't remember me? Oh well, let's just get this straight. Mr. Bacon Canada, in case you don't remember. Nope, no clue. Heh, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you're dead now. Bring it on. With pleasure. Rob, scoot. Right. Hey guys, could I get a picture or what? I'll say. You didn't even have a close chance whatsoever. whatsoever, 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 whatsoever.
You truly beat the living snot out of him. Yep.
I have had it. Ah! Ow. I just want to talk about how our climate is changing every singular day. But what do I get? Nothing. Nothing but a little raspberry blow from all of you. Ah! Now look, the only reason as to why we're all specifically annoying, in the case for us animals, is because of the fact that we are tired of the fact that all of you are just here every singular day. You trash our place and you pollute it as if it's literally nothing. So, guys, when did we bring up this topic? Never! This is why I'm demonstrating how it feels. Ow! Ah! Okay, it's official. I have had enough of this. What? Alright. Well, time to squish this like a bug. Looks like I was successful after all.
Think and try that again, wood chewer.
3, 5, 4.
I'm doomed.
Alright, time for your little end, good sir. Ow! That's it. Feel the pain. Y'all had enough? Well, that's what I thought. Y'all just cannot handle a sumo beaver like me. Oh, well, I can. Yet. Called it. Alright, robot. Get out of here. Oh! Oh! Well. If it isn't the one who left because of disagreements. Are you just all talk and no muscle? Now look here. I am the muscle. Okay? Yeah, right. Duh! Huh? How do you like them apples, huh? My spleen. Alright, you know what? Time to pull out the ultimate weapon.
Haha.
Oh, shoot. He has a gun.
Well, for your information, it is not only a gun, but it is also a ray zapper, meaning that pretty much it could either disintegrate you or teleport you to somewhere else besides mainland.
And since I do have all three of you, I might as well test this on either one of you subjects. Wait, stop! No, stop! You're not doing the right thing! Huh? Guys, what's going on? Well, it's a long story, you see. Let's just say we found a penguin from a different dimension, and he kind of wants to erase us all steam locomotives or anything that has any form of detriment to the world. Say what? Yeah, for a month we were pretty much confused, so... With Mr. BC... Wait... Oh, how precious. Well, not chitter-chatter. It's time for all of you to come to an end. Any last words? Eat my shorts. Cole. Well, your funeral, guys. Your funeral.
Haha. What the?
Haha! It worked! Even though I'm small now, it doesn't mean that we won.
So, admit it, Mr. BC. You are no match for any of us whatsoever. You ready to turn yourself in? Fine. I will admit it. I give up. Really? Haha. Think again. What's that? Oh! Ouch. Alright, let's start with you, tiny man. Oh. Wait, we can discuss this. Too late now. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Wait, no. No. I'm actually a good robot instead of those evil ones. Oh! Thomas, Percy, James, come really quick.
Okay, I'm here.
Listen to me carefully. Whatever happens to all of us, just know that you have to get everyone safe from the mainland. This place is gonna be inhabited pretty soon with rage and chaos. That's all I know. Surely, I'm aware that Toby will be back soon. And how long do we have to wait for him? I don't know, but that's all I have to say. Aw, how poignant. Alright, time for you to go. Good luck, gentlemen. I'll see you some other time. Don't go Rangers coaches. What do we do now? I'll tell you what we do now. It's time for chaos to ensue.
We're doomed.